In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Meta Business Suite. Having a valid payment method set up is essential if you want to run ads or use any paid services on Meta. So we'll walk through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages the business you want to pay for. Once the page loads, you should see your business dashboard. From here, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This takes you to a more detailed view where you can manage different aspects of your business account. On the left-hand column, you'll see a list of sections. Find the one labeled Billing and Payment Methods and click on it. This area is where Meta keeps everything related to your charges, invoices, and how you pay for your ads. Once that page opens, look again at the left-hand side and click on Payment Methods. This will show you any existing cards or payment accounts that are already connected, and it's also where you'll be able to add a new one. Now, look for the Add button, usually near the top right or in the main section of the page, and click on it. This starts the process of adding a new payment method to your business. Before you actually enter card details, Meta may ask you who should be the finance editor for this business. This is the person who can manage billing information and payment methods. Decide whether you want to assign this role to yourself or to someone else in your team. Once you've made that choice, click on Next. On the following screen, you may see a quick confirmation or summary. Simply click on Next again to move to the card entry form. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your payment details. Carefully type in your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV or security code from the back of your card. Make sure all the information matches exactly what's on the card, and double check for typing errors, because even a single wrong digit can cause the card to be rejected. When you're happy that everything is correct, click on Save. Meta will usually run a quick check to verify the card. Once that's done, your new payment method will appear in the list, and you're ready to use it for your campaigns and other billing on Meta Business Suite.